Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in a gated estate of 4 units. Each unit is a 3-bedroom all-en-suite with a plinth area of 145 square meters. Each unit has been constructed on 40 by 70 piece of land, and as you can see from there, the beauty is incomparable. I like it that the greenery has not been compromised, and I love it that the developer added these concrete pads to make sure that you don't step on the grass as you are going around this home. Each of the units will come with a biodigester, 5,000 liter water tank, an electric fence, and solar water heaters. Each unit will come with a 2-car parking. The views from the unit to the parking are incredible, and this staircase will take you to the roof deck where you have an extra space for any other activities. I'll take you inside. Before we get inside, you can see that the front yard extends from here up to the end of the unit. A double door is always a very good thing to have. First, it gives you a very good and a wide view to the unit. And from there, you can see that it gives you a picturesque view to the outside. But this one is being obstructed by these burglar-proof grills, but what do? Security must be a concern. I like it that the developer added floor-to-ceiling windows, and these windows are bringing maximum natural light to this living space. One thing that complements the look is the tiling of this unit. As you can see, the developer used 1-meter tiles, and these are very big tiles. If you are not very keen, you may think that this is marble, but it's just tiles. But how the developer has done them makes them look very beautiful. This is the focal point of this unit, and the developer added these street strips that amplify the space. The home comes with a very good lighting system, and as you can see from there, the center light is on another level. This will activate your night mode, but because the home comes with some recessed lights, you'll never be bored in this space. The dining area is supposed to be here. I don't know why the developer did not separate it from the main living room, but it's beautiful as it is. Next to me, you have the kitchen of this home, and I like it that it comes with a wash basin here for the people who will be using the dining area. This is a double sink. I like it that it comes with a tilting faucet, and it's next to the window. One thing that is very important, and many people don't do it, is adding a wine cellar. These days, many people tend to enjoy their drink, but in most units, they don't have a space to keep it. This developer is different. This is where you'll do your wines or your bottles of whiskey. The kitchen comes with a 4-burner cooktop and a heat extractor. Most people call this the hob, but there is always another name. This door will take you to the laundry area and the clothing area. The pantry of this unit is here, and it is very small indeed. But when you have such a house, you don't have so many things to keep in this space. Let's see the laundry area. The laundry area is here. It's not the biggest, but it will be sufficient for your washer and dryer. One disappointing thing, this space does not come with a roof, but I'm talking to the developer, that one must be added. You can do your clothing area here, or you can do them on the roof deck. Let's see the rest of the unit. To access the bedrooms area, you have to use this hallway. And next to me, you have the common washroom. Next to it, you have the second bedroom. This is the first bedroom. And on my far back, you have the primary bedroom. As you can see, the common washroom is just standard, and it comes with all the necessary things that you require. The first bedroom is here. The first bedroom is targeting the bigger kids, and it comes with its window here, its bathroom here, and its closet on my left-hand side. The closet is floor to ceiling, white in color, so it matches very well with the coloring of this unit. But one thing that you have to remember, that this is not the final coat. If you want to participate in the appliance of the final coat, you can choose your favorite colors and they will be applied to the unit free of charge. The closet comes with a sectioned part here for the foldable clothes, 2 drawers down there, a space for the hangable clothes, and an extra space up there. All the closets in this unit adopt the same concept. The bathroom is here. And it comes with a wash basin, a water closet, and a showering area on my far front. The height of the bathroom is perfect. The width is slightly squeezed, but I like it that it comes with this space for your showering equipment. The second bedroom is slightly smaller than the first one, though it comes with a similar size closet and a slightly smaller bathroom. This bedroom faces the rear side of the unit, and this side has less space. That's why you can see that the bedroom is slightly dark. I'll show you the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is massive, and I like it that it comes with 2 closets, a bigger one on this side and a small one just next to the bathroom. One thing to note is that this bedroom comes with its access to the garden. From there, you can enjoy your own privacy in the morning or during the evening without having a disturbance from the other people who are occupying the other spaces. The closets that I have just mentioned are here, and this is the bigger one. Ample space for you and your partner, multiple drawers down there, and sectioned spaces here, maybe for the foldable clothes or for the shoes. An extra closet on this side, and this closet has been set specifically for the shoes. I like it that this bedroom comes with 2 windows, and this maximizes the amount of light that you can get. Let's see the bathroom. The primary bathroom is slightly wider, and it comes with a wash basin here and a water closet behind me. I like it that it comes with these spaces for your toiletries and a big window for maximum natural light. On the opposite side, you have a showering area. I like it that it comes with a rain head, and one thing to remember is that this home comes with solar water heaters, so you can have access to hot and cold water any day, anytime. That's all for this bedroom. From the main unit, the roof deck can only be accessed through those stairs. The roof deck covers a plinth area of around 140 square meters. I like it that it comes with this part where the solar water heaters will be added, and this space has been reserved for your 5,000 liter water tank. All this other space has been reserved for any other activities that you would want to do on this roof deck. Also, remember, you can use this roof deck as your clotheslines area. We have come to the end of the tour, and I hope you have enjoyed. Remember, I said that this home is going only for 8.5 million. If you'd want to purchase it, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, because we have many more units that are coming in the next few months. If you would want to see a slightly cheaper unit in this locality, click up here. That's all for today, and as always, never stop watching. Bye bye.